Hi, I just received my jump starter today. This thing is awesome. It has a 20,000 mAh battery, which is a lot. It will hold a lot of power. It's 12 volt. It has upgraded clamps that are copper and fine teeth, so it'll be nice and stick on real well. It comes in a really nice convenient case, which is portable. You have your instruction manual, so you know how to use it. It has 8 different protection modes on it that are automatic, so you don't have to worry about any mishaps or ruining a battery. It's nice and protected. One of the other neat features about this is that it has a forced jump, which will send extra power in case your battery is at like 0% voltage or any of that. And then it also has a light on it, which has 3 modes, which is really nice and handy. You can charge multiple things with this, which is nice. It has your USB, your Type-C charger, and then your auxiliary charger, which is nice. As you can see, the clamps, they're nice and fine tooth, and they clamp real good. It has 8-gauge wire, which is good for cold protection and heat protection. This will start at when it's -20 degrees. It comes with your cigarette adapter, which is real nice and convenient. Your charging cord, which is the Type-C. And then another Type-C charger, so you can charge your phone or anything that you want with that, which is nice and handy. As you can see, my car is real dead. It won't start. Now let's start it and you can see how well this works. To start your vehicle, you just take the jump start cables, plug it in, positive to positive, negative to negative. It has 10 different projection modes that are built in and automatic, so it won't get ruined if any mishaps happen. As soon as you hear it click, you're ready to jump start. As you can see, it started up without a problem. This thing is great. Thanks for watching.